Story title: The Impact of AI on American Jobs. Is guaranteed income the solution? AI, once a distant concept, has become a reality that is increasingly threatening American jobs. As AI becomes more sophisticated, the potential for job displacement grows, with the International Monetary Fund warning that as much as 40% of jobs worldwide could be affected by the rise of AI. In response to this looming threat, the idea of guaranteed income, once scoffed at, is gaining renewed interest. Michael Tubbs, the former mayor of Stockton, California, is one of the proponents of guaranteed income. Tubbs, who grew up in a low-income neighborhood in Stockton, has seen firsthand the struggles of poverty and the need for a safety net. In 2019, Stockton handed out $500 a month to 125 randomly selected residents in low-income neighborhoods with no strings attached. The initial results from the pilot program found that recipients had drastically improved their job prospects and financial stability. The idea of guaranteed income is not new. Decades ago, civil rights leader Martin Luther King Jr. advocated for guaranteed income in his 1967 book, Where Do We Go From Here? Chaos or Community? More recently, Silicon Valley's elite, including Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Sam Altman, have also expressed support for the concept. As AI becomes more pervasive, the need for a safety net becomes more urgent. Tubbs believes that it is crucial to start planning for guaranteed income programs before the job displacement from AI becomes widespread. He emphasizes the importance of getting the guardrails in place now, so that when the job displacement occurs, society will be better positioned to deal with it. While opponents of guaranteed income programs argue that such efforts disincentivize work or that taxing successful tech companies can stifle innovation, proponents like Tubbs argue that funding for these programs should come from the federal government. Tubbs encourages lawmakers to be creative about finding ways to raise revenue. The debate over guaranteed income is just one of the many challenges that AI poses to society. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it is crucial that we find ways to address these challenges. By exploring ideas like guaranteed income, we can help ensure that as many people as possible can benefit from the advances of AI, rather than being left behind. Source: www.cnn.com. Story title: Predicted, majority of enterprise software developers to embrace AI by 2028. Story title: Soaring AI adoption in enterprise software development, lofty expectations and cautionary tales. In the ever-evolving world of technology, artificial intelligence, AI, has become a cornerstone of innovation. A recent study by Gartner projects that by 2028, a staggering 75% of enterprise software developers will integrate AI code assistants into their workflows. Although this figure is promising, it is essential to examine the potential challenges and realistic expectations that come with such widespread AI adoption. The path to widespread AI adoption. As of the third quarter of 2023, a significant portion of organizations, 63%, have already begun implementing AI code assistants. These cutting-edge tools are designed to help developers generate code more efficiently, reducing the time spent on manual tasks. However, it is crucial to manage the expectations of IT leadership, as there might be a disconnect between their optimism and the actual productivity gains experienced by software teams. According to Philip Walsh, Gartner's senior principal analyst, there is a risk of inflated expectations when it comes to productivity upticks. Vendors of AI-assisted coding tools claim that they can increase coder productivity by up to 50%. Meanwhile, 34% of CIOs and technology leaders view AI code generation as a potential game changer for their software development efforts. That's some really high expectations from the productivity gains from these AI code assistants, Walsh cautions. As companies rush to adopt AI, it's important for development teams to manage the expectations of their senior managers. Navigating the challenges of AI adoption in software development. The implementation of AI tools in software development is not without its hurdles. For instance, the benefits of AI-powered coding tools can be limited to specific, narrow tasks. A study referenced by Walsh relied on an A/B-style experiment, where one team wrote a web server in JavaScript, while another employed AI coding tools. Writing boilerplate for Python was another common comparison task. However, these tasks might not be representative of the tool's abilities due to the abundance of training data available online. Furthermore, coding is only a part of the software development lifecycle. It is estimated that coding itself accounts for only 20% of the overall effort, which includes planning, design, research, actual code generation, testing and verification, deployment, configuration, and monitoring. Therefore, even if a 50% improvement in coding task completion is achieved, the overall cycle time might only improve by 10%. Creating a culture of experimentation and learning. To make the most of AI tools, development teams must foster a culture of experimentation and learning. CIOs should create an environment where developers feel empowered to fail and learn from their experiences. Imposing top-down productivity mandates is unlikely to yield the desired results. Walsh emphasizes the importance of creating a culture that encourages learning and experimentation. CIOs need to create that culture and listen to their people, but also create that space for experimentation and failure. In conclusion, the widespread adoption of AI in enterprise software development holds great promise. However, it is crucial for organizations to manage expectations and create a culture of learning and experimentation. By doing so, businesses can harness the potential of AI to drive innovation and improve productivity in the ever-evolving landscape of software development. Source: www.theregister.com_I_enterprise_code, greater than story title, Exploring AI Limits, Dennis Quaid on Unreplaceable Aspects. Story title: Dennis Quaid and the Unreplaceable Human Emotion, a glimpse into the future of artificial intelligence. In the not-so-distant future, artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily lives. From farming to entertainment, AI has transformed various industries, and its impact is only expected to grow. However, as AI continues to advance, the question of what it means to be human remains at the forefront of many discussions. Recently, acclaimed actor Dennis Quaid shared his thoughts on AI during an interview with Fox News, emphasizing that human emotion is one aspect of the human experience that AI cannot replace. "I think AI is a great tool, and I don't think humans will lose out at the end of the day," said Quaid. "That's what actors bring, and that's what's unique about our work. That's what's unreplaceable." While AI has made significant strides in various fields, such as agriculture, it is still far from replicating the emotional depth and complexity that human actors bring to their craft. South African drone company Aerobotics is harnessing AI technology to help fruit and nut farmers improve crop yields across the United States and 16 other countries. The emotional resonance that actors provide in storytelling, however, remains unparalleled. Meanwhile, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy highlighted the company's commitment to AI development in his annual letter to shareholders. Amazon's AI push aims to incorporate the technology into various aspects of everyday life, enhancing the user experience for customers around the world. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications of its integration into our lives. The relationship between humans and AI will be an ever-evolving dance of collaboration and competition. In the world of sports, for instance, IBM's watsonx AI and data platform have been instrumental in augmenting the Masters tournament experience for fans worldwide. By providing real-time analytics, spectators can gain a deeper understanding of the tournament. However, it is essential to maintain a balance between the raw excitement of the game and the cold, hard data generated by AI. Moreover, tech giants like Google are continuously pushing the boundaries of AI by developing custom-designed artificial intelligence semiconductors. Google's latest Axiom processors are specifically designed to operate data centers. The AI race heats up as more companies acknowledge the potential of AI to revolutionize industries. As we venture further into the age of AI, it's crucial to consider the potential consequences of our reliance on these machines. While AI has the power to bring about remarkable advancements, it's vital to remember that there are aspects of the human experience that technology cannot replace. Dennis Quaid's insights serve as a reminder that as AI continues to progress, we must ensure that we maintain the essence of what makes us human, our emotions. After all, it is these emotions that fuel our creativity, our capacity for empathy, and our ability to connect with one another. In the end, AI might become an indispensable tool for humanity, but it is the human spirit that remains at the core of our collective experiences. Source: www.foxnews.com. Story title: Intel introduces cutting-edge AI chip, a breakthrough in technology. Story title: Intel unveils new AI chip, a formidable challenge to Nvidia's AI dominance? In a significant development in the world of artificial intelligence, Intel, the venerable chip-making giant, has unveiled its latest creation, a new artificial intelligence AI chip. The new product, christened the Gaudi 3, is Intel's latest salvo in its quest to dethrone Nvidia as the reigning champion of AI chips. The new Gaudi 3i accelerator, as Intel claims, delivers a whopping 50% better inference on average and 40% better power efficiency on average than Nvidia's H100. Intel's new AI chip also boasts a significantly friendlier price tag, selling for a fraction of the H100's cost. These impressive figures have certainly piqued the interest of many in the tech industry, and rightfully so. In addition to the performance and cost advantages, Intel has also announced new Gaudi customers and partners, including heavyweights such as Bharti Airtel, Bosch, IBM, and Nielsen IQ. These high-profile alliances could further bolster the chipmakers' hopes of gaining ground on Nvidia's formidable market share. Despite the promising start for Intel's new AI chip, the stock market had a more muted response to the news. Intel's stock price rose a modest 1% on the day of the announcement, before sliding 3% on the following day due to concerns over inflation. However, the long-term implications of this development could be much more significant. Intel's foray into AI chips comes at a time when the AI market is experiencing a meteoric rise. According to a report by Research and Markets, the global AI chip market is expected to grow from $8.1 billion in 2018 to $91.1 billion by 2025, a staggering compound annual growth rate of 45.2%. With Intel's new AI chip in the fray, the competition in the AI chip market is bound to intensify. However, Nvidia is not resting on its laurels. The graphics processing unit, GPU, juggernaut has already unveiled its Blackwell platform, which promises to be even more powerful than the H100. Nvidia's CUDA software platform also gives it an edge, as it includes developer tools and libraries to assist with building AI applications. While Intel's Gaudi 3 may have narrowed the gap with Nvidia's H100, Nvidia's Blackwell is poised to widen that gap once again. Intel's cost advantage might also be less of a benefit than it seems, as investors and companies are willing to shell out big bucks for cutting-edge AI technology. Nonetheless, the Gaudi 3 serves as Intel's ticket to the AI party, and the competition between these tech titans will surely lead to rapid advancements in the field of AI. As the dust settles, it remains to be seen whether Intel's Gaudi 3 can truly dethrone Nvidia as the king of AI chips. But Intel's new AI chip has the potential to inject some excitement into the chipmaker's portfolio, which has underperformed compared to its peers in recent years. Over the last decade, Intel shares have gained 38%, compared to a 176% gain for the S&P 500. As the AI race heats up, only time will tell if Intel's Gaudi 3 can propel the company back to the forefront of the chip-making world. Source: www.nasdaq.com. Story title: Instagram's new AI search feature enhances content discovery. In a groundbreaking move, Instagram is testing the integration of generative AI into its search function and content curation, according to a recent report. The new feature, currently available to select users, allows them to search for content by using text prompts, such as "beautiful Maui sunset reels." Once a prompt is selected, the AI generates a feed of relevant content that matches the description. Users can also directly ask the AI assistant to recommend reels on specific topics. This new feature is part of Meta's broader push towards integrating AI into its platforms, with the ultimate goal of enhancing content discovery and search. The integration of AI into Instagram's search function has the potential to significantly improve content discovery, which has long been a pain point for the platform. By leveraging AI's ability to understand media semantics and user interests, Meta hopes to create a more personalized and engaging user experience. In addition to improving search, Meta is also exploring ways to make Instagram posts more discoverable in web search results. This could involve using AI to enhance metadata tagging and extrapolate searchable content details. Meta's push towards AI integration is not limited to Instagram. The tech giant has already been testing its Meta AI chatbot on WhatsApp in countries like India. By integrating AI into its platforms, Meta aims to create a more personalized and engaging user experience, while also gaining a competitive edge in the crowded social media landscape. In conclusion, the integration of AI into Instagram's search function and content curation is a significant development in the world of social media. By leveraging AI's ability to understand media semantics and user interests, Meta aims to create a more personalized and engaging user experience, while also improving content discovery and search. As Meta continues to explore new ways to integrate AI into its platforms, it is clear that AI will play a major role in the future of social media. Source: IndianExpress.com. Story title: Level up your portfolio with SoundHound AI, a smart alternative to Nvidia. If you missed out on the Nvidia rocket ship, don't fret. There's another AI stock that's poised for greatness: SoundHound AI, Nasdaq, SOUN. Nvidia, a leading player in the AI space, has invested in SoundHound, signaling its confidence in the company's potential. SoundHound is applying AI to audio and improving experiences in restaurants and cars. For instance, White Castle has partnered with SoundHound to replace traditional drive-thrus with digital assistants, resulting in better performance than human workers. SoundHound is also working with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT models in Stellantis DS vehicles. However, the company is addressing a potential issue of connectivity by teaming up with Nvidia to place SoundHound's technology on an Nvidia chip that doesn't require connectivity. SoundHound's revenue grew 80% year-over-year in Q4, reaching $17 million, but its backlog increased to $661 million, demonstrating the potential for rapid revenue growth. However, the stock comes with a premium price tag, as it trades at over 20 times sales. Nevertheless, if SoundHound can convert a chunk of its backlog into revenue, the rich valuation ratio will go down. While SoundHound has plenty of competition, it could become the definitive leader in this area and see its stock rocket higher. However, investors should remember that it's essentially a long shot and devote only a small portion of their portfolio to it. Source: www.nasdaq.com. Story title: Unlocking ChatGPT's Human Touch, a closer look at the latest updates. Story title: ChatGPT becomes more human with new update. Here's how it will change your experience. OpenAI, the company behind the popular AI-powered chatbot, ChatGPT, has recently announced an upgrade that is expected to make the tool more human-like in its interactions. The new model, GPT-4 Turbo, the 9th of April 2024, will reportedly make improvements in writing, math, logical reasoning, and coding, and will have a more up-to-date knowledge base. The new and enhanced version of GPT-4 Turbo is now available to premium users of ChatGPT Plus, Team, or Enterprise plans. The updated version is expected to make the AI tool engage in more natural conversations, with responses that are more direct, less verbose, and use more conversational language. The industry has reacted positively to the news, with experts believing that the updated version of ChatGPT will significantly enhance efficiency by prioritizing conciseness and direct communication over verbosity. The new model is expected to refine ChatGPT to prioritize conciseness, focusing on direct communication over verbosity. By streamlining responses, ChatGPT delivers information efficiently, enhancing user experience and facilitating smoother interactions. The emphasis on directness not only enhances understanding but also reflects OpenAI's commitment to optimizing conversational AI for practical use cases across various domains. The new model was trained on publicly available data up to December 2023, compared to the previous edition of GPT-4 Turbo available in ChatGPT, which had an April 2023 cutoff. The new model's upgraded version is expected to allow the artificial intelligence (AI) tool to engage in more natural conversations, making interactions with the system more human and less arduous to consumers. However, more direct should not mean less detailed, as that may lead to overall degradation in experience. In the future, ChatGPT will learn the fine balance of measuring one's words. Source: www.financialexpress.com. Story title: U.S. lawmakers upset over Huawei's new laptop featuring Intel AI chip. In a surprising move, Chinese telecoms equipment giant Huawei unveiled its first AI-enabled laptop on April 11, powered by an Intel artificial intelligence chip, sparking anger and shock among Republican U.S. lawmakers. The company has been on a trade restriction list since 2019 due to sanctions violations related to Iran, and the U.S. suppliers, including Intel, need a special license to ship to Huawei. The U.S. government had placed Huawei on the trade restriction list as part of a broader effort to hobble Beijing's technological advances. However, Intel received a license from the Trump administration in 2020, allowing it to ship central processors to Huawei for use in laptops. The license was expected to expire later in 2024 and not be renewed. The unveiling of the MacBook X Pro laptop, powered by Intel's new Core Ultra 9 processor, has raised questions about whether the Commerce Department approved shipments of the new chip to Huawei. Republican Representative Michael Gallagher, who chairs the House of Representatives Select Committee on China, criticized the Department of Commerce, saying, "One of the greatest mysteries in Washington, D.C., is why the Department of Commerce continues to allow U.S. technology to be shipped to Huawei." The reaction is a sign of growing pressure on the Biden administration to do more to thwart Huawei's rise, nearly 5 years after it was added to a trade restriction list. In August 2023, Huawei shocked the world with a new phone powered by a sophisticated chip manufactured by sanctioned Chinese chipmaker SMIC, becoming a symbol of China's technological resurgence despite Washington's ongoing efforts to cripple its capacity to produce advanced semiconductors. The Commerce Department declined to comment, while Huawei and Intel did not immediately respond to requests for comment. The situation is a significant development in the ongoing trade tensions between the US and China, and it remains to be seen how the Biden administration will respond. Source: www.straitstimes.com. Story title: Breaking news, Apple's MacBook lineup set for game-changing AI-enhanced M4 upgrade. Apple is set to revolutionize its MacBook lineup with the introduction of new M4 chipsets that prioritize AI processing, according to a recent report by Bloomberg. The updated computers, which include new iMacs, 14-inch MacBook Pros in 14 and 16-inch sizes, and Mac Minis, are expected to hit the market late this year and early next year. The move towards AI-focused chips in laptops and desktops is gaining traction, with manufacturers seeking to handle AI tasks without relying on cloud processing. Intel and Qualcomm are reportedly developing similar chips, while Nvidia is said to be leveraging its AI chip expertise to enter the PC market with a new chip as soon as 2025. Apple's new chips will highlight the company's commitment to AI processing capabilities, with the next version of macOS integrating seamlessly with the M4 chipsets. The announcement comes ahead of Apple's annual developers conference in June, where the tech giant is expected to announce new AI partnerships and reveal significant changes to iOS. The new M4 chipsets are expected to deliver faster and more efficient AI processing, providing a significant boost to machine learning and other AI-related tasks. The new chipsets will also enable developers to create more sophisticated and powerful AI-driven applications for the MacBook lineup. The move towards AI-focused chips in laptops and desktops represents a significant shift in the way these devices are designed and used. With the introduction of M4 chipsets, Apple is positioning itself at the forefront of this trend, providing its customers with powerful and versatile devices that can handle even the most demanding AI tasks. The integration of AI processing capabilities in laptops and desktops has the potential to transform the way we work, play, and communicate. From enabling faster and more accurate data analysis to creating more immersive and engaging entertainment experiences, the possibilities are endless. The AI-focused M4 chipsets are just the latest example of Apple's commitment to innovation and its dedication to providing its customers with the most advanced and cutting-edge technology. With the new MacBook lineup, Apple is setting the stage for a new era of computing, where AI processing is at the heart of everything we do. In conclusion, the impending release of Apple's new MacBook lineup with M4 chipsets is an exciting development in the world of technology. The integration of AI processing capabilities in laptops and desktops is a significant trend that is set to transform the way we use these devices. Apple's commitment to innovation and its focus on AI processing capabilities are positioning the company as a leader in this space. The future of computing is here, and it's powered by AI. Source: www.thehindu.com. Story title: Get ready for One UI 6.1, introducing Galaxy AI and updates for 2021-2022. In a groundbreaking development for Samsung users, the tech giant has announced that its highly anticipated Galaxy AI features will be available for flagship devices launched in 2022 and 2021. The announcement was made by a Samsung Korea community moderator, who also revealed that the devices will receive the One UI 6.1 update starting in early May. While the 2021 devices will receive only 2 AI features, Google Circle to Search and Magic Rewrite, the 2022 devices will get all the features except for instant slow-mo. This feature, which allows users to slow down any video by pressing and holding the screen, is too heavy for the Exynos and Snapdragon chips used in flagship devices before 2023. The devices that will receive the Galaxy AI with One UI 6.1 include the Galaxy S21 series, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Flip 3, Galaxy S22 series, Galaxy Z Fold 4, Galaxy Z Flip 4, and Galaxy Tab S8 series. The release date for the update is set for early May, although it could be specific to Korea, and the update might start rolling out in some markets this month. Samsung has not yet revealed any information about its release plans. The announcement has been met with excitement from Samsung users, who have been eagerly waiting for the Galaxy AI features. The features are expected to significantly enhance the user experience and provide new capabilities for Samsung devices. With the One UI 6.1 update, Samsung users can look forward to a range of new features and improvements. The update will introduce a more intuitive and visually appealing user interface, as well as new customization options and productivity tools. The Galaxy AI features are expected to be a game-changer for Samsung devices, providing users with a more personalized and intelligent experience. The features will leverage advanced machine learning algorithms and natural language processing capabilities to provide users with more contextual and relevant information. In conclusion, Samsung's announcement of the Galaxy AI features for flagship devices launched in 2022 and 2021 is a significant development for the tech industry. The One UI 6.1 update will bring a range of new features and improvements, and the Galaxy AI features are expected to provide users with a more personalized and intelligent experience. With the release date set for early May, Samsung users can look forward to a more exciting and engaging experience with their devices. Source: www.samobile.com